Hello everybody, welcome back to Shara's Code. My name is Shara Srivastav. Now I am at Hogwarts. See my last video at the end, what I had received. Whoa! Wow, I received something. Wow, it's the best one till now. Wow, my best gift. A new wand. Oh, I got a paper also. No, this is just a note. To Mr. S. Srivastav. This is a new one. Write in a secret message in an encrypted format if you have received the one. From Mrs. McGonagall. Oh my god, it's so nice. Expelliarmus! Lumerus Maxima. Oh wow, it's so cool. Now I have to write it in encrypted format. Tricky. Idea. Let me write using an app that can encrypt a normal language into a coded format. Let's create. So now I have created this app. Let's start with this. So now let's start encryption. Now I have to type file name. Let's write to or encrypt. And then write yes, I have received the wand. Thank you, Sharia. But I didn't understand why I have to encrypt. Oh, there's one more note. You have to encrypt it so that Snape doesn't see it. Means you have to hide it from Snape. Now it makes sense. So let's do it. Create. So let me explain you through the code a bit. So this is the code. It starts from uploading the encrypt and decrypt from SimpleCrypt and file dialog. Then import OS, and now I've coded it. Everything. This is a decryption part which I have not coded yet, but I will surely code. So now let's see. Oh, it is stored in the folder. Oh wow. Now Snape can't read it. I can now send it to Mrs. McGonagall. Let me copy it. Now I will type it, or I can just write it in a piece of paper and send it. What number? This. Hey, done writing it. I will take this. It had to pass through Snape, so that's the reason I did it. Now just wait and see for the response. A message again. It would be from Shaurya only. What? A number? Let it go. Take it to wherever it wants to go. Oh, who is it? A message. Oh, good. Read to me. Oh, wow. It's a coded message. It must be from Shaurya. I have to now decrypt it. Yeah. Shaurya sent me an app to decrypt it. But he hasn't coded for it. I will tell him to code and then. Professor McGonagall. Ouch, ouch. Who was it? Oh, just a butterfly. So. Yeah. Aloha Mora. Oh, yeah. So I got a message from Professor McGonagall and she said that I have to code for decrypt. For next video will be for that only. So thank you. Be with me and Abracadabra. Oh no. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Crucio. Abracadabra.